Okay, so we're doing the second part of zero and negative exponents. And this part will be a bit harder than the last one. So we will start with A, 3ab to the negative 2. Write it down here. So we have a negative exponent. It's a negative exponent. We put the base down in the denominator, 3ab. Okay. And we change the negative to a positive in the denominator. And we put a 1 in the numerator. Okay. B. We have 1 over x to the negative third. Over x to the negative third. Yep. Okay. So we have a negative exponent in the denominator. So when there's a negative exponent in a fraction, we just put this whole number up on the other side. So we will put x to the third. So we will change the exponent from a negative to a positive. X to the third over 1, and that equals x to the third. Okay. C, 4x to the negative third. X to the negative third. Okay. So we have a negative exponent. So negative exponent, we put all of this down in the denominator. And we change the negative to a positive. There we go. And then a 1 in the numerator. Okay. P, y over z to the negative second. Y over z to the negative second. Okay. So, negative exponent in a fraction. So we need to flip it. So we already have y in the numerator. And we add this z, and we change the negative to a positive. Over 1, and that equals y z to the second. Okay. So we completed all of this. Next, evaluate 4x squared, or to the second, y to the negative third for x equals 3, and y equals negative 2. All right, so we will just plug in these numbers into here. So 4x, x is 3, squared, squared y equals negative 2. To the negative 3. Okay, so we will do exponents first. So 3 squared, that equals 3 times 3, that equals 9. So 4 times 9. And then negative 2 to the negative 3. So this negative exponent. So we will need to put this over, work on this over here. So negative exponent. So that means we do negative 2, change the sign to positive 3 over 1. Okay, and then negative 2 to the 3. So that's 2 times 2 times 2. 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 8. And we have a negative, so negative 8. So it's 1 over negative 8. So we'll do times 1 over negative 8. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then 4 times 9, that equals 36. And then we could do 36 divided by 8. That would give us, so timesing it by 1/8 is the same as dividing it. So 36, let's see, so it's 36 1 to the negative 8. And then that's the same as saying 36 divided by negative 8. And 36 divided by negative 8 equals negative 4.5. Next, we have 8x squared over y to the negative 1. So we have a negative exponent and a fraction, so we need to push it up to the numerator. So we have 8x squared, pushing this up to the numerator. So that's y to the first. We change the negative to a positive. So that's the answer for that. And last one. I'm going to change my ink to red. Suppose your allowance doubles every week. This week, you receive $2.56. How much will your allowance be 3 weeks from now? How much was your allowance 3 weeks ago? So we'll do this part first. So we'll call that 1. So for 1, we have we want to know how much will your allowance be 3 weeks from now. So we have now, and now it is $2.56. Then 1 week, one, 1 week from now, what is it? Well, it doubles every week. So 2 times 256. That equals, and you can get a calculator too for this, but that equals $5.12. Okay. Then we have 2 weeks. Okay. 2 weeks from now. And so now we need to double the 512 times 2. So 512, double 512. So we got 2 times 512. Okay, and that equals $10.24. Okay, and it was 3 weeks from now. So we'll say 3 weeks. Okay. So now we need to double the 1024. So we'll double it with times 2. So 2 times 1024. And that equals $20.48. So, how much will your allowance be 3 weeks from now? $20.48. Okay. Now we'll change the color and we'll change it to green. So the next question is this. How much was your allowance 3 weeks ago? I'll say that is the second part. So for 2, what we'll do is we have, so now, right? What is it? Now it is $2.56. Oh, $2.56. 1 week ago. So we'll say, I'll do now, and then 1 week. Okay. So every week going forward, it doubles. But going backwards, we would not multiply, but divide. So I'll do 256 divided by 2. Okay, 256 divided by 2 equals $1.28. Okay, now we do 2 weeks. 2 weeks from now. Okay, so now we take this $1.28 and we divide by 2. And we get 64 cents. And finally, 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks in the past. 3 weeks. So this number, 64, is running out of space. 64 divided by 2. And that equals 32 cents. So that is your answer right there, 32 cents. How much was your allowance 3 weeks ago? 3 weeks ago, your allowance was 32 cents. And that does it for 0 and negative exponents.